Okay, guys. It's your guy Kiara from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're gonna be on I think day 5 or of making money with Clickbank with my lead gen secrets. Um, so I made a mistake before when on day 4 I thought that I sent the email, but I did not send the email. I sent an offer to something else I was promoting. Uh, and I kind of forgot about it. By the time I made the video, so I want to apologize for that. Okay, we're gonna continue from here though. I made sure not to promote anything else today, so we could do it right, correctly, and I can show y'all exactly, or show y'all that I actually do this and make money. So what we want to do here, we're gonna go back to Clickbank here. Once you get into my lead gen secrets thing, I have a link in the description. Click on that, get in my lead gen, open up an account, possibly 2 or 3 accounts, and make sure to be an affiliate for yourself so you can make money off of your own account. And it comes up a lot cheaper like that. And you also get bonus leads when you do it like that. So consider that, minimum 2 accounts, maximum, well, I ain't gonna say there is no maximum, but recommended 5 accounts to make a decent living off of it. Make about 2-3K a month doing this. I recommend about 5 accounts. That seems to be like the breaking point where you can make about a good living off of it, like 2 or 3K a month. Sometimes even 4. It depends on. It just depends, It's all about chances, and it's all about the numbers, really. The more people you have to email, the more chance you can make money off of it. You know what I mean? So yeah, you want 5 accounts. But anyway, you can start with just 1 like me if you want to. But I recommend trying to daisy chain off yourself and get 5 accounts. And make sure to be an affiliate for yourself on each account. Make sure they all get 200 leads so you can get more. Alright, so let's continue on here. So first off, we go into Clickbank. You sign in. It's very easy to sign into Clickbank. You don't really need much. Set your stuff up. Make sure you can get paid and all that. Clickbank pay you even if you only make $10. They'll pay it to you. Anything over $10, they'll pay it to you. You can set it up like that. Yeah. So we want to click on e-business and e-marketing. That is the reason why people on my lead gen secret sign up for money opportunities. Okay, that's the reason why they sign up to it. Now you can click on e-business and e-marketing, right? Or you could try other products if you want to. You can get sales off other products 100%, but more than likely you're gonna get more sales off e-business and e-marketing, because that's the reason they sign into. They're cold leads, understand me. It's 100 something. It depends on how many accounts you have, but it's a ton of leads a day. I don't know if you know, but that's insane. But they're cold leads, so the chances of them buying from you is low, but it's a numbers game. The more you have, the chances it averages out to about 3K a month when you have 5 accounts doing this. 900 leads a day. So if you pick really good offers and all stuff, and the best offer in my opinion is this one here. Get paid to use Facebook and Twitter online and all that. It's the best one, I think. So anyway, what we're gonna do here, we're gonna click on affiliate page. Okay, first off, let's go to Gravity here. Let's see if it's still number 1. Yes, it's still number 1. We're gonna show this in paying social media jobs, affiliates, whatever, all of that. But it's the one you want to use here. But let's look at ones that I consider possible to use to make a lot of money. Flipwell system. I've used this. I made money off of this with this system. Made money off of this with this system. It doesn't pay much though, as you can see. Doesn't pay much. Earn text to speak with human-like voices. Nah, that's not gonna work. Perpetual income. I tried this. I could not get a sale with this. Even though it says it's a lot high sale, I have a feeling that it has a high refund rate as well. perpetual income. I don't know, that's just the feeling I get. Because I can't get sales with it. So I'm assuming people don't already tried it. I don't know. I ain't gotten any sales with it. I don't know what it is. Hold up. I gotten sales with this, but I haven't gotten any sales with my lead gen secrets. Okay. And I want to, cause look at that. The average commission $300 something. That's crazy. So I definitely want to, but I just don't. Okay, paid online writing jobs. This is a good one to promote. You can make a lot of money off of this one as well. It's really solid. That's probably the second one we're gonna use after we run out of emails for the first one up there. Live chat jobs. This is a really good one as well. You can make money off of this one. Yeah, and 12 million affiliate. I never made money off of this account, off of this offer ever. No matter what I tried, I never made money off of it. Writing apps, you can make money off of this one as well. This is a good one to promote. The average conversion is $44. You want to stick to under $100 with this system. I feel like stuff that sells for a little bit, where your conversion is like a little bit under $100 or around that time, those are the ones that get the sale. So if you say 80, 90, 40, something like that, that's a good one to go with. Now you probably can get sales with perpetual income. If you mail only perpetual income for like a month, you probably gonna get some sales off of it. But I just haven't done that. I only sent a few emails out. I couldn't get no sales. That's how I base it. So if you focus on one, you probably can get some sales off of it. Okay, affiliate millionaire. This is the one I'm looking at because it's the brand new one. We might can get some sales off of this one. This one's only been out here for like a month or two. I just recently started seeing it. It's been climbing up the ranks as well. It's on the front page now. It used to be on like page 3, 4, but it's been climbing up pretty quickly. So I'm assuming this is a pretty solid offer. So yeah, go with this one as well. So yeah. Alright, so we are going to click on get paid for Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. We're going to go to the affiliate page here, of course. Now what we're looking for is emails. So we click on emails here. What are they at? Right here, email swipes. So last one we sent was this one, I believe. We're just going to send email 5 here. 1,000 a week YouTube job match for, and pick their name. Be sure to pick their name. So it feels a little bit more personal, you know. We're gonna pick for first name fits here, copy, paste here. Perfect timing. I'm gonna put hey, great news. Best wishes, Spanish. We're gonna pick management. You can pick your own name as well. It don't matter what you pick, really. I'm picking management because honestly, I don't have no real reason to not to. But let's see if we got anything to replace. Your name right there, we gotta replace that. We pick first name fits, copy. Make sure you pick perfect timing. It makes sure that they get the email right when they're checking them, so they're more likely to open and read them. Let's see, a job page. It sounds like a job offer. I like to pick management. That seems to get more clicks when they assume that it's a management is talking to them, and like they're interested in that. So that's why I pick management for these types of emails. I don't pick them for all emails. I just pick them for those types. I think that does a little bit better. I'm not entirely sure. It depends. It still depends. I don't want email GS. I meant to pick just one. Right when I only had one account. Okay. I want to make sure I get the right account here. All right. So what you want to do, you see click here to apply now. And we just gonna put our link there. Paste. Fold it. Sorry for that. Video. I ain't get a video out yesterday as well because it was Christmas and I was just busy. I was really busy Christmas. I couldn't really get into. I couldn't even get to my computer honestly to do anything. So make sure you put the link on every spot that say click here to apply. Yeah, make sure you do that. But yeah, I was busy, man. I'm sorry about that. I know that's not something you need to hear, but I just wanted to say. Now you preview it. The next thing you do, you preview it and make sure you can click on every link here. Make sure every link works. That works. You gotta make sure they all work. Because if they don't work, I have had times when I did this and it didn't work. That's why I say that every time. Make sure you check and see the preview. Make sure every link works. Alright, so we're gonna send the email. Let's see if I did everything correctly. Yes, I have moved all my leads. Okay. Alright, so we send the email. Alright, email been sent. Alright, so far that's good. Now if you want to do this for multiple accounts, what you do, you keep this page on like this and you just open another page with your and log into your other account. But make sure to keep this up so you can pick the same as that email, and that way you can go ahead and speed through all of your accounts with the email. Do it all at the same time. But that's all I have to say so far. But let's look at something here. I want to show my affiliates and why you should try to get at least one sale here. I got multiple sales on this account with my lead gen secrets. I've gotten sales for my lead gen secrets by promoting my lead gen secrets in the system, like my mailing system. I send emails that promote. I used to send emails that promote my lead gen secrets, and I got quite a few sales here just from that. And that was just with this account. So I wanted to get two sales. I only wanted one, but I got a bunch of them. But I was only shooting for one sale, so I can go ahead and get 200 leads. That was the goal because it doesn't pay well. You see that $5. It doesn't pay that much, but that's why I say promote Clickbank offers first. That's the first thing you should do. Get 5 accounts, promote Clickbank offers. You should make about $2,000 to $3,000 a month eventually. It's gonna take a while for your leads to build, but it should be $2,000 to $3,000 a month, and it should slowly climb. Then what I will recommend, when you get to that height, you come over here to Savings Highway Global, so you can and get sales off of that, so you can build a recurring income, so you don't have to worry about money ever again. Yeah, once you do that, once you have recurring income in here, and you're good for life, really, until a bunch of people start quitting for this. Or you can set up, or the best thing to do is like set up for other systems, just to be safe. Make sure you set up other systems at that point. Once you get to a certain amount of money making with this, to the point where you don't really need money anymore, start setting up other systems. I show some other systems once I get to that point. I'm not at that point yet. Well, I am not at that point with this system yet, but I want to get there, and I think I can get there pretty soon. That's all I want to say. So yeah, all the links in the description. Be all right. Bye.